Leaking faucet, this is how you fix it. First thing you gotta do, check. First we're gonna close the cold line. Still dripping. Okay. Open it back up. Now we go to the hot one. Close it. Stop. Okay. So we know it's the hot one. Okay, so now we sure the hot one is the one dripping, which is this one right here. Even though we're gonna work on the hot line, on the hot side, we also have to turn off the cold side. Screwdriver. Took the screw off. Okay, now that we took the screw off, all we gotta do is pull this up. Okay. You gotta make sure I leave it all the way close, and then you pull up. You need to take this off in order to get to the cartridge. So use whatever you have. Pretty easy, and then there we go. So here's the cartridge. Went online, Home Depot, and this was the best price I could find for $4.66. And it shows a picture. This is the faucet I have. So, and it looks exactly as the replacement I need. So I ordered it online, and I will be getting it on Friday. So on Friday I'll show you guys the part 2 of how to install this. As you guys see, this is a rubber and a spring that we have to replace also before we put the new cartridge. So okay guys, please guys subscribe and like the video, and I'll see you guys in part 2. First thing you do, take the bottom cartridge, and we check it. It's the same one. It's the same cartridge, as you guys can tell. Same cartridge. Okay. So now what we're gonna do, if you have one of these little picks, you could take that. You see that's the rubber gasket over here. We're gonna take that out. Take it out with the spring. Look. You focus. Take it out with the spring. Okay. You place it right here. So I'll show you one thing. You guys see the spring, the wider side was on the bottom, and the smaller size, the smaller side on top. So that's what we're gonna do now with the new one. The thinner side on top. Put it on the rubber gasket, and we use the pick to put it on. There we go. Then we put this on. Just play with it until you put it on. You just put the new cartridge on, and there we go. Just put the new cartridge on. Get the retaining cap. Now it should go in. Okay, now there we go. Okay, hot water is open. Now the hot water is open. Let's see. No leaks anymore. No leaks. I'm gonna turn on now the cold side. No leaks. So now we got hot water, cold water, no problem, no problem. Hot water, no problem. Cold water, no problem. Nothing leaks. Okay, guys. Hopefully this video was helpful. And if you guys want to see more content like this, Please subscribe, like the video, and share it with someone that might need the video. See you guys.